the other fireworks? They're all in the other area.
Oh, you want to go there?
You can't go all the way there.
Yeah, let's just see.
I don't want to go too far.
Well, no, we're gonna wait
No,
here.
the bigger ones are on
Bigger.
that side.
Okay, I'm just gonna.
Oh, I just saw a firefly here.
No, I know. Don't worry.
I just saw it there. I'm so attracted to the lights.
Oh, what is that? My finger? Oh,
Made it. Can I hold it?
hold on. Let me see. They might do more.
Not gonna do more. Now.
Ay. Oh, wait, somebody else is doing it. Oh, they're doing it over there.
Yeah, we want to.
How do I get? Oh,
Oh, they're doing it too.
Happy 4th of July! Ladies and gentlemen.
You are not coming at 7. Saying I want to party. Can I come early? Jimmy, I can go like 30 minutes early. No. Fine, I'll go 10 minutes.
I don't know if I can. I'll ask though.